Hello students. So we are going to discuss about hydrocyclone. Introduction about hydrocyclone. It is a device to classify or separate particles in a liquid suspension based on the ratio of their centripetal force to fluid resistance. What is centripetal force? Centripetal force is nothing but net force act on object to keep it moving along a circular path. That is centripetal force. So the ratio between centripetal force to fluid resistance is high for dense and coarse particles. The ratio between centripetal force to fluid resistance low for light and fine particles. Hydrocyclone also find application in the separation of liquid of different densities. Based on these differences, cyclone produces two products. One is overflow, another one is the underflow. Next we are going to discuss about working principle of hydrocyclone. About hydrocyclone, hydrocyclone will normally have a cylindrical section at the top where liquid is being charged tangentially and a conical base. Angle and length of the conical section play an important role determining operating characteristics. What are the operating characteristics? Smaller diameter, longer conical path, greater resistance, driving force small. This is unsuitable for highly concentrated suspension. Concentrated suspension through underflow orifice, maximum concentration 0.4 to 0.5. Next, working principle of hydrocyclone. Cyclone uses centrifugal force that is generated by a slurry entering the feed chamber under pressure to make the separation. This centrifugal force causes the larger particle to be thrown to the cone wall, while the finer particle is kept closer to the center. Vertex finder, refer this first diagram. Vertex finder draws the water and fine material to the overflow, while the coarse material makes its way out the apex. Geometry of the cyclone involve inlet shape, area, cyclone dimension and inlet, vertex and apex diameter. What are the cyclone dimension? Cone angle, length of the cylindrical section and total length of the cyclone. Force is encountered by the resistance of the liquid, with the effect that larger or denser particles are transported to the wall for eventual exit at the reject side with the limited amount of the liquid, while the finer particle or less dense particle remain in the liquid and exit at the overflow side through a tube extending slightly into the body of the cyclone at the center. Applications of hydrocyclone: pulp and paper mill to remove sand, plastic particle and other contaminant. Drilling industry separate sand from the expensive clay that is used for lubrication during the drilling. Petroleum related. In oil industry, to separate oil from water. To remove sand and smaller particles from irrigation water for agriculture purposes. Agriculture purposes and also irrigation purposes. Thank you for your attention.